Welcome to Jethro's Garage. Appreciate y'all coming in here and joining me. Pull up a seat and stay a while. We're going to talk about some tools. We have been doing this now this year for 6 months. I really, the channel, you know, I kind of started it last year in January, but this January, or late December, I really put my foot down and said, hey, I got to make a go of it. I got to put out some videos. I got to make things better, and it's gotten better. There's still room to improve, but this is mid-year, well, just over mid-year, and I wanted to give you a top whatever video, and so I decided I would give you my top 6 tools of mid-year, first part of the year 2024. Well, I've actually got 7 tools I want to show you, or 7 things that I want to show you. So y'all stay right there. I'll be right back with you after the intro. Y'all back with me? Okay, good. Let's get this thing started. We're not going to do a lot of close-ups, but if I've already reviewed these tools, I will send you, I'll put a link to these down there in the description so y'all can get a fuller review. What I'm going to do is, and this is in no particular order, I'm going to try to do it in a particular order. I'm going to try to do it from my favorite to my favorite that wasn't my super top favorite, okay? Don't want to say any of these are last because everything I got up here I love using. So first I want to start with this. Now these didn't come together. I bought these together, but it's a Koken short sockets and a Koken ratchet. So this is a 72 tooth ratchet and Koken sockets. These sockets go from 7 to 19. I've used them a little bit. I really like them. They fit everything very well. I love, this stays on the outside of my toolbox, okay? I throw it on my toolbox on my other box. And this right here, I try to pick it up every chance I get. It's a wonderful little ratchet to use. It's not very big. I mean, it's, what's to say? It's a great ratchet, very low back drag, not a lot of slop in the head here. Just, man, it's just a great tool to use, and I just enjoy using it. Next, I'm going to have to go with my Milwaukee. This is a M12 fuel brushless kit. So it's got a hammer drill and a impact driver. It come with 2 batteries and it come with a charger. It didn't come with these bits on it, but these are lighter than my normal stuff, and I've got to where when I go to use something, I pick these up first, especially if they're handy. Now, for the drill, if I'm doing something big, I'm probably going to use my bigger drill. But this, man, I love using it. You can see both of these have got stuff on it. That means I've just recently been using them. Great kit to have, and I got a 5 amp hour battery with these for free, or kind of free. This was, it's sub $200, right? And great deal, okay? Next. What's next? Okay, this is not something every one of you is going to need. It's not something every one of you is going to want to buy. I am here to tell you, this is a Proform 67-445 tapered piston recompressor. It's for 4030 pistons. This is such a breeze to use. If you've used ring compressors and all that, man, they can be a pain in the butt. man, this is awesome. I mean, it's just, I don't have any trouble whatsoever getting it down. There's another one I used, and you would get maybe one ring in, maybe, you know, you get your oil control in, and maybe your second ring, but once that first ring went in, something would happen and the ring compressor would slide up a little bit too much. It was a pain in the butt. This, man, I love it. This is a good tool. They make a lot of different ones. This one's Proform. ARP makes them. Great little tool to have around. Next. It's tough. It's real tough. I guess I'm going to have to say these Lyle Pry Bars. I like using these. These are awesome little pry bars. This one comes by itself. It's got a striking cap on it. And there's two of these. One's got a steeper, I didn't find it. I don't know what I did with it. The other one's got a steeper little angle on the end there. These are awesome little pry bars. Handy to keep in your pocket. They work well. I've got others, and they're good, but these are the ones I tend to go to. They feel best in the hand. They feel sturdy. I really like them. They're good little pry bars. Man. This it gets hard the further down you go. But I'm going to have to say these Tone 3/8 1/4 body ratchets. Now let me bring these up here to you. These things are small. I mean, they are small. And they are nice. The back drag is just right. They fit in your hand real nice and small. You know, these are just good little ratchets. And they were a good price. I can't remember how much I paid for them. I didn't write it all down. But, man, they are nice to have. Is it hot to y'all? It is to me. I guess my fan likes to work for about 2 hours and then cut out on me. But that high quality H2O. Water sucks. It really, really sucks. No, it doesn't suck at all. Last but not least, man, why didn't I buy these sooner? These little engineer pliers, they are the bomb diggity. They work. There's nothing else to say about them. They work, and they're a quality piece, well engineered, machined very nice, and they're not a horrible price. I don't think I paid $26.95 for these. I think I paid less. But the engineer P7 PZ58 screw extractor pliers, very, very nice. As a matter of fact, I've given a few of these out for my Sunday night lives, and so I know they wasn't 26 bucks. I think they were sub $20. Very nice pliers. If you don't have these in your kit, you're missing out. Like these will, you know, they'll take the place of other stuff. They're just very nice to have. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you want to see a deeper look at most of this stuff, I think I have a deeper look on everything up here. Y'all go and hit up Jethro's Garage. See those links down there below in the description. I'll have one for each of those. I'll also have a link to their Amazon listing so you can check them out a little further. Except for the Milwaukee kit, you got to buy that at Home Depot. But I'll give you a link to the Milwaukee site so you can have a little more information on that. Thank y'all. Please click that like button. hit subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with your friends so that they can see this video. These are some good tools. I love using all of these, or I wouldn't be telling you about them. My hair. But anyway, thank y'all. I hope y'all take care of each other and have a blessed week.